Hello everyone. Today I am creating a point of sales app written in Laravel and Vue.js powered by Stripe. So for those of you who are not familiar with Stripe, Stripe is an online payment processor that allows you to do one-off charges, recurring charges, and more. It's free to use, and they take a fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents. If you want to know more, you could always go to stripe.com and read up on it. But I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I've already created the application. I called it point of sale. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the dependency. So in addition to doing Stripe, we're also going to use Laravel Passport for this application so we can make secure API calls. So the first thing I'm going to do is add while I was doing that, I'm going to just copy. And we're not going to be touching the basic authentication or the basic user model. So I'm going to go ahead and just run the make auth and run the migrations with everything as is. So the Stripe has been added. It's just taking its sweet time. And we're going to do the same thing. Or I guess I already for the passport. And since we're using Laravel 5.5, it has the auto discovery feature in it, so we don't have to worry about the configuration file and adding in the class and all that stuff, which actually saves a lot of time. I finally got my configuration set up back, so I'm going to attempt to take calls on Tuesday for my live stream on my Tech Talk. I'm looking forward to that. All right, so that is done. Oops. Now let's go ahead, run this migration. But before we run this migration, I'm going to go ahead and run the authentication. All right, PHP, artisan migrate. All right, and that just created all of the personal access tokens. I am pretty sure I just put this on the wrong database. Bear with me. I sure did. Oops. What did I name that database? Point of sale. All right, there we go. Now let's run the passport install. So this has installed all the OAuth client keys and stuff needed for Passport installation. So now we're adding that, and we're going to just be interacting with our JavaScript. So before I get to that, we're going to head over and add this create fresh API token class to our middleware web package. Middleware group, that's what it's called. All right, so there we go. All right, now let's go back and add this to our users model. We're going to add this has API token, so the application knows that users can receive or the users can make API calls. And after we do that, we need to register the passport routes in the auth service provider. And then lastly, we need to change the API driver on the configuration auth file to go with passport. All right, we're done there. So let's go ahead and refresh here. Let's go ahead and make an account. All right, we're gonna never save. Cool. We're gonna keep that right there. And the first thing we're going to do is create our Stripe controller. And in the Stripe controller, we're just going to have a charge method. All right, we created that. We're going to create a construct method. We're gonna just go ahead and set the Stripe set API key here. What is it called exactly? There, yeah. Set API key. Cool. Set API key, EMB, Stripe secret. I already put my Stripe secret in my EMB file. I didn't want you guys to see it. So in your EMB file, just make a Stripe secret variable and put your API secret token in there. But this will run when the controller is instantiated, so we don't have to put in set API key every time. And then we're going to have public function charge. I'm going to take request. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to create, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in this try catch. So we can catch any and all errors. I'm going to format that real quick. All right, and then instead of printing, we're just gonna return response JSON get JSON body. I believe that's the right function name. We're just going to do that. We're just going to do that for all these, since we're going to be working with the API and we're only going to be working with JSON responses. All right, now the first thing we're going to do is make a token. We really should be using the Stripe JS, but I want to keep this brief, and I want you guys to have some homework so you can rewrite that using Stripe JS. But right now, we're just going to be creating a token on the back end, and I'll be explaining more of that later. All right, so we got request CC number, request expiry month, request expiry year, request CVV. All right, and then we're going to make an actual charge. And then we're going to do the request times 100. And the source is going to be the token, and the description will be request description. And then if everything goes well, we're going to return a response JSON success true. That's pretty. Oh, wait, one more. We need to add the receipt email. Request email. And that's pretty much all we have to do on the back end. Well, in the controller anyway. We still need to add it to the API route. Charge. We're going to make this Stripe controller at charge. All right, now that should be all. That's all for the back end. Now we just need to go and we're going to do the Vue.js part. So we're going to replace this example component and call it charge component. And say make a charge, and then here we're going to have a data object, and inside here we're going to have card object is going to have card card number expiration expiry month, we need an amount, we need an email, and then we need a description. And then we need methods. Let's see, we got create charge, axios.post, say ps/charge. Card description. So here I am doing the post. I'm adding the card, the amount, the description. If everything is good, then alert success. Otherwise, alert the error. So the last thing I'm going to do is get this form. I'm just going to do bootstrap credit card form. a little bit. We got the card number. So we're gonna do autocomplete feature, so we can get this autocomplete feature, so that on mobile it will actually take a picture of the credit card. Just make sure I have these right. And we got a card number. And this is also going to be v model equals card number. Just copy this. And then next thing is expiration. I got CCX. Put CC number anyway. All right. Complete CC EXP month. Is that right? Yep. EXP month. And this is going to be expiry month. We don't need anything past earlier than 2017. We'll delete that. And this is CC expiry year. XP. All right, now that's CVC. All right, let's go ahead and run. Oops. Let's go ahead and run the oh, I need to install the Webpack first. Let me just do that. And while I was doing that, I need to fix this anyway. This needs to be oh, I need to add the description and the email. Let's see. For email. need the name. This is for email. Type is email. Placeholder is email receipt. Don't need that. It is email. And for this, I gotta call it description. Computer takes forever, man. All right, that should be it. As soon as this compiles, just let that compile. My goodness. Well, I guess I can use this time to shout out my brand. If you guys haven't gotten your Code Life t-shirts, head over to JeromeParker.com and check out those shirts that I'm selling. They're on sale right now to the end of the year. If you buy one, you get 50% off my ebook when it comes out in the spring. That's JeromeParker.com. You can look it below in the description for the comment, or for the link rather. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you're live, or make sure you get the notifications when I go live so you guys can call in and ask your questions. I cannot wait to test out the phone system on Tuesday. Cannot wait. But yeah, help a brother out. Support the website. Support what I'm doing for you guys and get a cool shirt in the process. So just head over to JeromeParker.com and it'll be there for you. All right, and this is still going. And I swear to everything that's good in the world, it better not say I had to run this with sudo. Any day now. Should have made some coffee for this. Goodness gracious. All right. Now npm run watch whole, so we can build our sources. Oh my goodness. This really does take forever. It's time for me to get a new Mac. You know, it's maybe not even a Mac. It's just time for me to get a new rig, period. But I could do some higher quality streams. Can't even stream from my laptop. I mean, that's just a work-only computer. Error cannot resolve. Oh, that's because that doesn't exist now, does it? I forgot. Duh. We don't have an example component anymore. We have charge. Yeah. Charge. Component. And this is charge component. in the home, this is going to be charge component slash charge component. All right, methods. I'm so tired. I'm just going to look it up. Methods. Okay, yeah, I did do that wrong. Work, darn you. All right. Here we have this. I got the email receipt, credit card, yada yada. So we're going to do jerome.parker@gmail.com. 4242 4242 4242 4242. Oops, that's the description of test. And then we're just going to choose some random date, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to inspect this. And we're going to have Vue running. Make sure we got the console up. And my dumb self did not put a v click, so it's not going to do anything. All right, v on click equals create charge. What I called it? Yeah. Refresh this. Email receipt. Let's try this again. Test 4242 4242 4242 4242. We're gonna make this January 2018. 1, 2, 3. And it failed with a status 500. Now, why did it fail? Because there's no such thing called request. And this line 21. Request. Alright, now why did it fail this time? Undefined variable. It's the silly stuff, man. You gotta initialize that. There we go. Cool. And just to make sure that went through, I just realized did not put an amount. So we are not done by a long shot. Need to amount. To charge amount, and we're gonna make this a number. And refresh that. There you go. Got view of charge component. Let's see, $500. Let's make this like 561, something crazy. All right, parker@gmail.com. Test 4242424242424242. Expiration date January 18. 23. Pay. It says success. Now let's go to the Stripe dashboard. And let's turn on view test data. As you can see, today we made $561. So that's basically part one. In the next video, we're going to add some more advanced features, such as working with webhooks, adding a manifest.json file so that you can download the web app to your mobile device and run some of the offline first functionality, and adding some more things like sending custom invoices via email and doing recurring subscriptions all through the app, all through the power of your phone. So like I said, guys, if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button, and please share, leave comments, tell me what you like, tell me what you hate, tell me what you want to see coming up. And remember, Tuesdays and Thursdays we have live tech talks. This week will be the first week that we take calls, so please join us.